Adding a credit card to your Booking.com account makes future reservations smoother and ensures quick, hassle-free payments. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the Booking.com app on your phone. Once inside, navigate to the My Account section, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Next, scroll through the available options and select Payment Methods. This is where you can manage your saved cards and add a new one. Tap on Add Card and you'll see fields where you can enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all information is entered correctly. If you prefer a quicker option, you may also use your phone's camera scanning feature to automatically capture the card details instead of typing them manually. Once everything is in place, review the information and tap Save. You can always return to the Payment Methods section to update or remove your card if needed. Now, you're all set for a seamless booking experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.